Okay, on the Reddit question and answer videos, this next person, successful turn 3951, asked a great question. This one I'm not going to get in trouble for saying what's a customer type I don't like or anything like that. It's just I've got a question. I purchased land last year and want to build a home on it. Do I connect with an architect or builder first? Great question. Something I deal with all the time in this kind of business. We're a build on your lot custom builder, and we get people in this scenario. If you have purchased the lot already, you've done the hard part. Okay, you've got time now to deal with designing the plan, finding the builder. The answer is going to be interesting. I would definitely say you now move on to the architect. You need to get a floor plan drawn for your property. And here's why. If you have a floor plan, now you can go out there and talk to builders, and all the builders you talk to, if you talk to 2 of them or you talk to 3 of them, they are all working with apples to apples information. You know, I've had a lot of cases where people are just calling around to different builders and they're just asking what's your price per square foot, or these random things that they're going to get all kind of answers. But if you've drawn up the floor plan, then each builder is looking at the exact same thing, and as long as you tell them what you want in it, they should be pricing things relatively close. The caveat to this is exactly what my company is now, and I just recently became this type of company, which is called a design build company. And that is where I've brought an architect in where we can do the whole process with potential customers. Somebody like this person has a lot. Okay, you come and talk to us, and our architect can draw the plan. We keep everything in-house, and there's a few advantages to do this. For the customer out there, you're just dealing with one entity. You're not dealing with an architect and then a builder and this whole kind of thing. Also, it means that I have, in my personal case here, we've got all this communication going on with the architect, with the builder, with the customer. And so everybody's on the same page about what's being designed. I, as a builder, could be saying, okay, those roof pitches you guys want to do are going to cost you a lot of money because you've got 14, 12 steep roof pitches on there, things like that. The architect also has feedback about things I may be talking to them about. Also, there is the interaction of the architect and the builder, even as the home's being built. So something that's happened many times to me over the years is people have come to me with floor plans that are designed. I price it, we do the deal, we're building the home, and then this architect they use just made mistakes. And we can't always see these mistakes out ahead of time. Sometimes the way they designed the roof pitch, it was cutting across where a window needed to be on the second floor or something like that. I don't know why their CAD programs don't catch this. I'm not an architect, but they made the mistake. We as the builder have to deal with it. And sometimes that doesn't make the customers happy because it usually means you're spending a little more money to work around this issue. And so with having an on-staff architect that we are all involved in the process, number one, I know he's good and going to, hopefully not make any of these kind of mistakes. And if there is something we're trying to work out in the field, he can come out there and work with us on it, something you're usually not going to get if you just go to some architectural firm and deal with an architect and then take it to a builder. That being said, that's often how you have to do it. So if you are somebody out there that has bought land already, I would suggest your next step is to go to an architect, get a plan drawn. You could look around for home builders that are also design build companies. So like we are, Legacy Classic Homes here in Dallas-Fort Worth, we can do it all for you. We have the architect on staff that we can, draw the plan here, and that can have its advantages also. So hope that answers that question.